You spend months and a huge chunk of budget getting your team to this trade show. But the real ROI happens in the meetings, not the foot traffic. That's where Jifflenow comes in. It helps you pre-book meetings with the right prospects before the show even starts. Sales reps get calendar invites, prospects get reminders, you get pipeline. And once the show's live, your team working the booth isn't fumbling with spreadsheets or chasing people down. Jifflenow keeps everyone in sync. Room availability, staffing, agendas, you name it. So when the event wraps, every meeting is logged, every note tracked, every follow-up scheduled, so sales actually follows up and you actually get attribution. The bottom line, if you're tired of guessing ROI and want to show real sales impact from your events, Jifflenow gets you there. Want a personalized demo? Visit cvent.com to request your demo today. We can't wait to partner with you.